If you've never heard of Umidigi before, it's a Chinese firm that specializes in budget smartphones. The S2 Pro looks exactly like a Galaxy S8 head-on. In fact, the resemblance is so uncanny, we wouldn't be surprised to learn Samsung's lawyers have taken notice. However, whereas the Galaxy S8 costs upward of $700, the S2 Pro goes for less than half that, $300. Of course, that's not the only difference. Umidigi has fitted the S2 Pro with MediaTek's Helio P25 processor, a far cry from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 featured in most other full-screen flagships. Then again, you do get a whopping 6GB of RAM and an absolutely massive battery, rated at 5,100 mAh. Despite the budget appeal, Umidigi hasn't skipped on the contents of that big 6-inch display. In the S2 Pro, you'll find a sharp LCD panel with a resolution of 2160 by 1080. That's a perfect 18:9 aspect ratio, like what the LG G6 offers. All things considered, those are respectable numbers for a device costing the same as a 64GB Moto G5 Plus.